Hey, it's Rue. In this video, we will be making the Manhattan. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. Bourbon, I have here, bullet, sweet vermouth, orange bitters, and maraschino cherries, 4 items. It's tool time. Let's go grab a mixing glass, ice, a martini glass, a strainer, a jigger, a bar spoon, and a cocktail pick. First step, grab your sweet vermouth. Pour 3/4 of an ounce of sweet vermouth into the mixing glass. Now grab your bourbon. Pour 1 3/4 of an ounce into the mixing glass. Grab your orange bitters. Pour a dash of orange bitters into the drink. Add ice. Stir the drink. Pour the drink into the glass. And the last step is to add garnish. And there you go, my friends, the Manhattan. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.